Today we're going to go over application of one of these lace-up ankle braces, as well as a couple of tips and tricks to help them work better and feel more comfortable. When you take it out of the package, you need to undo all the Velcro parts. Get the straps free here so that that's able to apply. They come out of the package, the laces are all tied down here, just like a new pair of shoes, so you just need to run the laces up just your standard way for that. In general, loosen that up enough so that you can slip this on easily. There we go. All right, make sure the tongue is flat here so that the laces don't dig in. We'll slide that over. The trick is to get the Velcro past everything. Fits on just basically like a shoe, like a liner. Make sure the tongue is nice and flat there. So we just lace this up, make sure this is snug but comfortable. This is what's going to help make for a nice intimate form fit. Tie that up there. Laces, make sure that's adjusted. Then we take these straps here, and this is what gives us the support. You wrap this around the arch part here, and then back up to the Velcro on that side. This side just crisscrosses over under the arch and back up here. You can adjust these tighter, looser to try to give you the most support in the right place. This strap just wraps over to hide the laces, and it holds these other straps together. And you can put this as tight or as loose as you need to so that it's comfortable. In general, that's going to allow you to move the foot up and down, but it'll give you support from side to side, so that help prevent stress on the ankle ligaments. One of the issues, sometimes patients have pain where this is pushing against the side on the edge of the bone. These do have little plastic supports inside, and if that is causing discomfort, this little pocket can open up and these little plastic parts can come out. That takes that pressure away, but still has plenty of support. So if that's uncomfortable, that's one of the tricks you can use to do that. Ideally, have a sock underneath that comes up above it so that it doesn't chafe or irritate the skin, and it also helps the brace fit more comfortably.